In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay a bill on Bill.com. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Bills over here on your left, and then you want to click on All Bills or, of course, Unpaid Bills, because if you want to see the unpaid ones, you'll be able to pay them from here. Then what you have to do is check mark those you want to pay. So I'm just going to go and check mark this one. Of course, you could do multiple at once if you want to, and then click on Review and Pay top right over here. Now, whenever you do this, you basically have to select your payment amount over here. So right now, I'm just gonna ignore this over here. It's not important for this tutorial. And of course, you can select your payment amount and of course the process date as well as your vendor type and the memo. And then from here, you can see it says pay from. What you have to do is select your payment method. I haven't put mine in yet over here, but for you, if you have, you'll be able to see it over here. Or you can just add a new payment method by clicking this button over here. And then you can select either a bank account or credit or debit card over here to basically select how you want to pay. Now, whenever you've done this, you have to put in your payment info as well, such as, of course, paid name, your country, address, etc. And whenever you put all the things in here, you could go and set up electronic payments. I'm not going to do this. And then over here, as you can see, there's the summary of your bill on the right. And if everything looks good, you can just click on the pay button bottom right whenever you've put all the things in here, and it's going to go through and basically pay that bill on Bill.com. Now, if you get any errors, it means you haven't actually completed all the fields correctly, so you'll basically be notified which things you have to still complete, and then you'll have to correct them, and then you'll click on pay, and it's going to work for you, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.